Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question. We are given 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x equal to 90. And we're expected to find the value of x. Anytime you come across this kind of question, this is what you need to do. First of all, if you look at this question, if you look at this number, you notice that it has two powers which are separated. This is the separation. Because it has two powers that are being separated, we are going to write this number twice. The reason we are writing twice is because we have two powers. It has two powers. Supposedly it has three powers. We would have written it 3 times. But we are going to write it 2 times because it has two powers that are being separated. So we are going to have, here's the solution. We are going to write this number 1, 2. After you have done that, take the first power and put on top of this one. Take the second power and put on top of this one. Now, because the separator here, what separates these two powers is addition. You are going to put multiplication here, in which I'm going to represent with dots. Dot here means multiplication. Addition and multiplication, they go together in indices. That's why I'm using multiplication. You understand? Then after that, you write this one plus 3 raised to the power of x, then equal to 90. After you have done this, the next thing to do is to look at these two. What is common between them? If you look at this, you notice that 3 raised to the power of x is common. Because it is common, we are going to bring it out. We are going to bring out what is common, which is the 3 raised to the power of x. In mathematical term, we call it factorization. We are going to factorize the common terms. So because 3 raised to the power of x is common, we are going to bring it out. This is 3 raised to the power of x, which is common. Then we open a bracket. If you remove 3 raised to the power of x from this, you are going to be left with 3 raised to the power of 2, right? Then plus this one, if you remove this, you are going to be left with 3 raised to the power of x divided by this 3 raised to the power of x, you get 1. Then equal to this 90 here. Now, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of x equal to, not equal to, actually, open bracket. 3 raised to the power of 2 means 3 times 3, that is into 2 places, which is 9. We're going to solve what is inside this bracket first. Then plus 1 equal to 90. So here we have 3 raised to the power of x. This plus this will give us 10. So 3 raised to the power of x times 10. Then equal to this 90. The next thing to do is to get rid of this 10 by dividing both sides by this 10. So we have 3 raised to the power of x times 10, which is what we have here. Then equal to 90. This 90 here. This equal to this. Now we are going to divide by 10 and also divide this by 10. 10 will cancel 10 and we are left with 3 raised to the power of x equal to 90 divided by 10 will give us 9. The next thing to do, because this one is in exponential form, we have to write this 9 in exponential form. 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2, because 3 times 3 into 2 places will give us 9. So in place of this 9, we are going to write 3 raised to the power of 2. Here we have 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. This one is taking the position of this 9. Now, if you look at this, you notice that the bases are the same. And because they are the same, they are going to cancel. When they cancel, we are going to have x equal to 2. And this is the answer to this question.